Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about punctuation marks. It is very important while you are going to attempt writing skills. It is very important activity in writing skill. Students, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get latest update from our channel. Let's get started with a question. What is punctuation? The English language has a system of symbols and signs known as punctuation. Why do we need punctuation marks? Punctuation shows us how to structure sentences and how each sentence should be read. Now let us observe the punctuation marks on the screen. There are total 16 punctuation marks we are going to study here in this video. Now let us learn the punctuation mark one by one with the examples. See the first punctuation mark, full stop. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. It marks the end of a sentence. It uses after initial or abbreviations. Now let us learn the examples of full stop. See the first sentence, I go to school every day. Second, see the initial letters of the name Mr. M. K. Gandhi, Mr. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. See the abbreviation of BA, Bachelor of Arts. Last example, India is my country. Next punctuation mark, comma. A comma is used to express three or more words of the same parts of the speech. Example 1. I like Marathi, comma, Hindi, comma, maths and geography. A comma is used to separate phrase or clause in series. Examples: if you need my help, comma, write to me. Second example, I am looking for Anil, comma, who has taken my book. Third example, I came, comma, I saw, comma, I conquered. Next example, he was born on June 6, 1960, comma, at Ambala, Punjab. Now let us learn about semicolon. A semicolon is frequently used to separate two coordinate clause. Example, the family is going for a picnic, semicolon, father carries the bag, semicolon, mother, comma, the food, semicolon, and the children, the rest of the things. Second example, I listen intently for a repetition of the cry, semicolon, however, comma, the sound did not come again. Now let us learn about colon. A colon is used to introduce a list. For example, the chief mountains of India are, colon, the Himalayas, comma, the Vindhyas, comma, the eastern and western Ghats. A colon is used to introduce long quotation. For example, the Gita says, colon, into double inverted comma, only action is within your power, comma, not its reward, double inverted comma complete. Now let us learn about question mark. The mark of interrogation is used after direct question. For example, what are you doing now? Second example, do you like to read storybooks? Third example, when does the examination begin? Next punctuation mark, exclamation mark. The sign of exclamation is used after such words, phrases or sentences as express emotion, wish, excitement, surprise, etc. For example, may God bless you. Second example, alas, the poor child is dead. Third example, shut up, I don't want any arguments. Now let us learn about quotation marks or inverted commas, double inverted comma and single inverted comma. It is used to introduce the direct words of the speaker into direct speech. For example, Gopal said, comma, into double inverted comma, I live in Satara, double inverted comma, full stop. Second example, teacher said to Ram, comma, into double inverted comma, where do you live, question mark, double inverted comma completed. Third example, My father said, comma, into double inverted comma, truth needs no evidence, double inverted comma, full stop. Let us learn about apostrophe. An apostrophe is used in place of omitted letters in contractions. For example, doesn't for does not, he will for he will, won't for will not. An apostrophe is used in possessive nouns. For example, baby's cap, girls' hostel, Ram's father. Now learn about dash. The dash is mainly used to show a sudden change in thought. For example, the long and short of my story is this, but do you have time to listen to me? Second example, she lived in London from 1999 to 2005. Third example, the distance between Mumbai dash Kolhapur is very long. Hyphen. The hyphen is used to join the parts of a compound words. For example, brother-in-law, comma, passerby, maidservant. Now let us learn about next punctuation mark, parenthesis, round brackets. It separates extra information from the rest of the sentence or add emphasis. Commas can replace them without changing the sentence. For example, on the weekends, I visit Rajesh, into bracket, my best friend, full stop, bracket completed. Second example, yesterday, into bracket, Friday, bracket completed, was the last day of my school, full stop. Let us learn about capital letters A, B, C to Z. The capital letter is used to begin the first letter of the word of the sentence. For example, here in this sentence, my father is a farmer. M is capital because it is the initial part of the sentence. The proper nouns and the adjectives derived from them begin with a capital letter. For example, Delhi, America, Indian, Japanese. And next, the pronoun I is always written in capital letter. For example, I am a student, comma, I go to school every day, full stop. And the names of days, months and festivals begin with a capital letter. For example, Friday, F capital, January, J capital, Diwali, D capital, etc.